Hello. We're in Narita Airport. Because that's our flight. That was our flight. And it's gonna turn to another service going back to Manila.
So, you know what? Luis is very excited again. Traveling. He's always like super hyper, super happy. I know you. Like when he's like not happy, like he's just quiet and just like, you know, grumpy and stuff. But now, tinan mo, see this one, see, oh, Oo, ano yan, super ganyan yan. Every time, like, he's like this. Every time we travel, he's always like, you know, he looks excited. He looks like he wants to talk and he wants to like, he's very expressive, very talkative inside.
Am I talkative? I'm often talkative. Secondly, I've been here 1,000 times, and when you think I mess things up or do some silly stuff, those are just me being bored, and I want to do something.
Okay, let's just go now, or is it too? I think there's so many people today. Oh my God, you know, look, you can see so many people coming to Japan to pay. To pay. They want to pay too.
I just want to go to our house.
They want to like bayad pag may time.
I want to go so that I can eat food, and I'm going to eat a lot of food when we get to the house here. Maybe pizza.
Okay.
The Korean bag.
Okay.
But we just like to call it pizza.
Okay.
Because it tastes like one, feels like one. But it's like everyone knows like cheese pizza.
Yeah.
Round thing. And it's from a restaurant called Jongno de Dynamite.